that looks awesome.
That looks really good.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
I'm just stirring it too. It's not much. It's gonna be a while until it melts though. Oh, they got a little toasty. It doesn't really matter. Right? They're getting melted anyway.
These are the first time we're gonna make some. I thought we were gonna make some spooky Halloween treats, but we decided to just make a peanut butter Rice Krispie treat recipe. We'll see how it's going. Right now, we may be overcooking the marshmallows, but you know, I like my things a little toasty, so I think it's turning out good. Looks like gruel. OMG, that looks awesome. We're gonna create our own individual Rice Krispie recipe that's easy and delicious snack.
Yeah. Ooh, that looks really good.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Wow.
Try peanut butter in. Where's that scoopy left?
What, this one?
Yeah. This will get it out better.
Peanut butter in there.
Let's see, how's it look?
Too shabby. And I think we have the Rice Krispies now.
It's a beautiful concoction. Let's get all this peanut butter all mixed in before we... Holy moly, that's a big blob of gruel. This is a ooey gooey, hot, sticky Rice Krispie mess. Now we have this beautiful looking mixture of peanut butter, marshmallow. Now we're going to fold in and massage chocolate peanut butter morsels.
So guys, this looks super, it looks like a very easy baking recipes here. What do you guys think? What do you
Quick and
think?
easy, simple. 10 minutes of them.
And most importantly, delicioso.
You need a lot more than this.
All right, we're all ready here. Everything is all mixed and mashed up here. We're about to cut up into some Rice Krispie squares. Let's see how this goes. Do a little cut right there. Boom. Cut right here. All the way through. Boom.
Okay.
Boom, Rice Krispie square. Ah! It fell apart. There wasn't enough stuff to hold it together. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our little Halloween Day extravaganza with the lovely Logans. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.